In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos from other devices. Let's start by accessing Google Photos on a computer. First, open a web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Next, type in the web address photos.google.com. Once there, sign in with the same Google account you used for backing up your photos. It's crucial to use the same account to ensure all your photos appear. Your backed up photos and videos should show up automatically. This step is important because using a different account can lead to confusion and missing files. Now, let's move on to accessing Google Photos on another phone or tablet. If you're using an Android device, you'll need to download the Google Photos app. You can find it in the Google Play Store. After downloading, open the app and sign in with the same Google account. Once you're signed in, tap on the Photos tab to view your entire library. This is a great way to keep your memories accessible on the go. If you're having trouble and your photos don't appear, don't worry, let's troubleshoot that. First, verify you're using the correct Google account. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally log in with a different account, especially if you have multiple accounts. On the original device where your photos were backed up, open the Google Photos app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Photo Settings, and finally Backup. Make sure the backup option is turned on and completed. It's essential that any pending uploads finish, as incomplete uploads can prevent your photos from appearing on other devices. By ensuring your backup is complete, you can rest easy knowing your photos are safely stored and accessible from anywhere. Next up, let's talk about accessing shared photos. If someone has shared photos with you and you want to view them, open Google Photos. Then click or tap on the Sharing tab, which you can find at the bottom of the screen on a phone or along the side on a computer. Open the shared album or conversation to see the photos. You can then view or save these photos to your own library. This feature is particularly useful for staying connected with friends and family, as it allows you to easily share memories and experiences with each other. To wrap up, remember that accessing your Google Photos from different devices is simple once you're signed into the same Google account. Double-check that your backup is complete and that you're using the correct account to avoid any issues. With these steps, you can enjoy your photos and videos anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.